familiar? You lift your baby overhead or bend to pick up toys and it feels totally normal. But here's the thing. The way you move in everyday life could actually be the reason you're dealing with back pain, leaking, or a diastasis that won't heal. I'm Jen, and today I want to show you why these small movement patterns matter and what you can do to fix them. When you lift overhead and let your ribs pop forward, your hips tip too. That posture shuts your abs off, leaving your low back to do all the work. Over time, this creates back pain, pressure down on your pelvic floor, and slows down core recovery. Okay? This is how many of us grab something off the floor when we're in a hurry. But when you bend this way, your pelvic floor takes on way too much tension. This leads to soreness, tightness, and makes your back work harder too. These patterns don't just happen once. They add up day after day. The way you move daily is just as important as your workouts when it comes to healing your body after pregnancy. The good news, small tweaks can make a huge difference. If you've been dealing with leaks, pain, or a core that doesn't feel strong, start paying attention to these patterns. I put together a free pelvic floor essentials guide with exercises and strategies to help you correct these habits and finally support your healing. You can grab it through the link below.